Hi, I'm Andrew from Launchpad 6. In this quick 2-minute video, I'm going to guide you through styling and publishing your first contest. When you first log into ContestPad, select the contest menu on the left. This will list all the campaigns you have created. When you first sign up for your trial, a sample contest will be created for you. To style your contest, select the Design button. When you select the Design button for the first time, you will see the template library. These are a list of standard templates that can be used to get you started styling your site. You will also see above your template library the site address for your contest campaign. This site address is made up of your site URL followed by the contest name folder. This folder name can be changed to any valid URL folder name. To start styling, select your desired template by selecting Edit. Once the template editor is open, you will see the list of pages of your contest site on the left and a preview of your site on the right. The Global Styling tab is used to set the global settings for your pages, such as the header and footer of all your pages, engagement metrics, button colors, as well as standard font styles for your site. The rest of the sections represent all the pages your contest may use for your competition. To begin styling your site, it is as simple as selecting the page you want to style and setting your own content and copy. Once you have completed styling your pages, give your template a name and select Save. Once the template is saved, it will be placed under the My Saved Templates tab. That means it can now be published. You can also preview your site by selecting the Preview button on the top right. Now that you've styled your contest and set the template, your contest is now available and published. If you want to keep working on your contest but not enable it to be accessed publicly, select the Manage from the contest listing area or in the design area. Go to the Settings tab, scroll down a little and then change the status of the contest to offline. This will ensure that your contest site can only be viewed when you are logged into the dashboard. Obviously, you still want to configure the schedule and rules for your contest, however we can move through that in another video. If you need to review in more detail this and any other features of ContestPad, you can find more help at help.launchpad6.com. Or if you have any questions, don't hesitate to use the chat icon in the bottom right of your dashboard. Or you can contact us at launchpad6.com/contact-us. Thanks for listening and thanks for signing up to ContestPad.